Hello, I'm Shivang Mehta. In this session, we are going to analyze sales forecast for B.Tech and BBA courses launched by yourshop.com. Yourshop.com is committed to, inculcating a work experience based work experienced in students of BBA and B.Tech, so they can really know about what can they do and what they have to do in future. So let's go ahead and see the sales forecast and the profit and revenue margins that yourshop.com can generate. So before we get started, please subscribe Yourshop channel for analysis of new bonds, NFO, NCD, and many more. Also visit yourshop.com and use coupon code YO100 for flat rupees 100 discount on all products and free 1 year GST and ITR e-filing services. So let's go ahead and see what B.Tech and BBA classes that yourshop.com has launched can generate for the company. So as we have assumed that there is 1 lakh rupees, but monthly budget for the right now for the classes. So tuition fees cost around 50,000 for two tutors, so around 25,000 per tutor, which is handling around 50 students as we assume, and infrastructure cost around 20,000 and marketing 20,000 and other charges cost around 10,000. So 1 lakh rupees a month we have assumed, and so let's go ahead and see how the things will pan out over 12 months and what revenue and profit your shop can generate and till what time it can reach the break even point. So if we see, we have created four courses with different growth rate in cost and per unit growth rate, as in this case per unit is student. So if we see in case one, if in month one we have 100 students and growth rate of 20% is taken, then by month 8, and when the student count will reach 358, cost company will become, reach break even with revenue of 3,58,000 and cost of 345,000, and company will generate 13,000 of profit. So we are assuming that cost growth rate is 35%. So 35% consists of adding one teacher every month and some infrastructure and other expenses. So that costs around 35% growth in cost every month and 20% growth in students considering market and everything. So the margin can grow up to 53% by year end in case one. In case two, if we see, the growth rate of student is expected to be 30% and growth in cost will be 45%. So by month 5, company can reach break even with profit of 5 lakhs with students, 285 students and profit of 5,610. In this case, company can generate over 200% margin by 12th month 12 or in a year. In case 3, if we see, the students growth rate is 40% per month and cost is 55%. So in this case we are adding two teachers every month. So considering this, by month fourth month of the year, company will reach break even and profit will be 9,400, and by end of the year company can generate up to 82% of profit, and company will be handling around, students around 4,000 students. If we see case 4, then 50% growth in students every month. If we see, then 8,000 students will be handled till at the end of the year, and in fifth month we can generate revenue, we can reach break even and generate profit of around 42,500, and profit margin of the company can be around 961%, 961% by end of the year. So in all these cases, if we consider the fourth case is genuine, where 50% growth of students take place and growth of cost is 65% and profit margin is highest with 961%. But if we consider risk wise, then case 2 is most convenient, where margin is around 2% and investment is also less and convenient considering the size and quality. If company has to maintain efficiency and maintain a limited number of students around, you know, in this case around 2000 students, then company can still generate 200% margin by reach 200% margin by year end, and can generate, around 1 crore 19 lakh 7,160 rupees around profit. So now it depends upon the marketing strategy and the various other sales strategy of the company, that how much growth it can come up in 1 year. So these are few of the cases in which growth can take place around 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, and every year in we can every month there is addition of teachers, 1 2 3 and 4, in case 1 2 3 and 4. So these are the growth forecast for the B.Tech and BBA classes. Thank you.